Hi, this is Shannon with Workamper News, and Rue and I have this week's Hey, Did You Know? Rue had her hair especially done for this video today, and I'm thinking she's looking especially cute. Did you know, as a Workamper member, you have access to hundreds of reviews on employers? What that means to you as a Workamper member, if you come across a position that you're interested in, you can research our website and see if there are any past Workamper experiences on that particular employer. Now, these are submitted by Workampers just like yourself. That those can be either positive posts or negative posts, but it's a great way to research a possible employer that you might be interested in. Okay, let's take a minute and I'm going to show you on our website a couple possible ways that you can look up a Workamper experience. Okay, this is our Workampers dashboard. And one way to review Workamper experiences would be to go directly into the hotline job link. These are jobs that will be listed for the last 14 days. And I've already pulled up one right here. If a job posting has past Workamping experience reviews, there will be a link attached to that particular job posting. You will also notice not only is this on our hotline page on our website, but it's also would be attached and included in any of the emails that are emailed to you daily with the job postings. And if you find a job that you're interested in, it is as simple as clicking on this link. It's going to take you to the Workamper Experience page. Then you would click directly on that particular company, and then here is a listing of any reviews that are on that particular company. So it's very easy to do some research on a position that you are interested in. Another option to review Workamper Experiences is to go directly to Workamper Experience link on our website. This is also where you would go if you were wanting to place a Workamper experience, a review on one of your past jobs that you have had with an employer. This just gives you some simple instructions that we ask that you follow follow our guidelines. Our postings are reviewed by staff members first before they are posted to our website. And we do ask that you relay just a firsthand experience, not hearsay, not things that you've heard, but what you actually experienced at your place of employment. If you're wanting to actually look up a company, you would click on the View the Company listing. Okay, this is where you can view a company. You would just put in the name of a company you might want to review, and it will pull up. We'll just put in Yellowstone, and it pulls up any company name that has Yellowstone that has a review written on it already. Let's just click on the Yellowstone IMAX, and here you can read reviews. This is also if you wanted to post a review on a company that already has other reviews listed in our system, you would do that right here. You're able to show your member number, name, and email address, or you can post that anonymously. But if you share your information, this gives an opportunity for a Workamper that might be interested in a position and might have some questions on a review that you have written. If their company is not listed on our website, then you would click on the Add Company and Post, and this is where you would create the company and you would make a post. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a great tool available to you as a Workamper member. This will save you a lot of legwork, checking different websites, doing your research when it's available, all available to you at on our website. We like to say we're the one-stop shop. So we do really encourage you to make sure that before you accept a position that you do your research. And if you've already had a work camping position, make sure you leave a review on those employers so that you can help out your fellow work campers. Well, I think that's it, Rue. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for joining us.